Let's go. The next word, everyone. The next word is.
The next one
is half dress.
Oh, half dress. Half dress means not complete dress. Not complete dress. Half dress means.
not complete dress.
Half dress means. Half dress means.
Half dress means not complete dress.
Not complete dress.
Not complete dress, everyone. Not complete dress is called a half dress. No, we live in Myanmar. Our country, Myanmar, is situated in the tropical zone. What is situated in the tropical zone? Yeah, tropical zone. Tropical zone means hot zone. Tropical zone means
hot zone.
Yes, good. And there, our country is a little near the equator. Well, a little near the equator. Yeah, a little near the equator. The whole year round we feel hot. The whole year round we feel hot. So most of the Myanmar people, when they stay there hot, they put on the half dress. They put on their half dress, right? So like a short sleeve shirt, short skirt, short pant, short trouser, like that. Sometimes they go outside. Other time they put on the complete dress. They put on a complete dress. Complete dress. Okay. So complete dress means opposites are half dress, right?
Half dress.
Okay, that's good. Now, whenever they stay in their house, they put on the half dress. Half dress means not complete dress. Half dress means not complete dress.
Not complete dress.
Okay, very even though it is easy, strange vocabulary here. Tropical zone and a hot zone and an equator like this. There are so many vocabulary. Listen carefully to me again. Half dress means not complete dress. Half dress means not complete dressed. You know, we live in Myanmar. Our country, Myanmar, is situated in the tropical zone. What is the tropical zone? Tropical zone means hot zone, right? So our country is a little near the equator because of the whole year round we feel hot. We feel hot, right? We feel hot. One of the people, when they stay in their house, they put on the half dress, short sleeve shirt, short skirt, short pant, or short trouser, right? Sometimes they go outside, other times they put on their complete dress. When they stay in their house, just only they put on the half dress. Half dress means not complete dress. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go.